Hello, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Sami. In this video, I'm going to be talking about getting admission and international scholarship without GRE. Yeah, for those of you that may not know what GRE is, it's called Graduate Record Examination. This is an exam that many schools, especially in the United States and in Canada, ask candidates to write as part of the admission process. So they usually look at this exam, you write the score and they rank your score, compare with other candidates to decide which candidates to accept. So, but many people want to avoid writing this exam because it's usually believed to be a difficult or a tough examination to pass. So is it possible to get a graduate admission like a master's admission or a PhD admission to university without writing a GRE? And the answer is yes. While there are a number of universities and programs, especially in the United States and in Canada, that require GRE as part of the admission process for a master's program or a PhD program, there are also many other programs, many other schools and programs that do not require it, even in the United States and in Canada. In fact, many schools and many programs in the United States are beginning to think GRE may not be a true test of who to accept into a graduate program, like a master's or PhD program. So many schools and programs in US are dropping GRE as part of their requirement. And there are many that don't even require it at all, even in high-flying school, in very popular and very prestigious universities in America and Canada. There are schools that don't require GRE. There are programs that don't require GRE. So what you need to do if you want to look for admission for a master's program or a PhD program, or you are looking for a scholarship and you do not have any intention of writing GRE, is simply to narrow down your search to schools and programs that do not require it. And you know, interestingly, a single Google search can give you a list of several universities and programs in the United States of America and in Canada that do not require you to write a GRE. So you can save yourself the stress. If you don't want to go through the stress, simply search for schools and programs that do not require it, and carefully look through their requirement on their specific university websites and in the program website to see whether you meet other requirements, even though the GRE is being exempted. Okay, so that is quite possible. Having talked about United States of America and Canada, the good news is that most universities in Europe, almost all universities in Europe, do not require GRE. Commonly in Europe, it is not a requirement for a master's program or a PhD program to write a GRE. So your options are very, very wide if you don't want to write GRE. So don't let the fear of GRE prevent you from pursuing master's or PhD education in your desired country. You can get admission, you can get a scholarship without having to write GRE. I know several people studying in America, studying in Canada, studying in several countries in Europe who didn't write GRE. So what I'm saying in essence is that you can get your graduate admission, you can get your master's admission, you can get a PhD admission, you can even get scholarship without having to write GRE. So you just need to narrow your applications to schools that don't require it. Even you can go to the universities websites in America and check from the program of your interest. It will be surprising to you that there are several programs in several universities that don't require GRE. Though even in the same university, some other programs may require GRE, but there are programs that don't require it. So you simply focus your attention on the programs that don't require GRE, since you are trying to avoid writing the exam. And you can simply be on your way to your master's or PhD studies in any other country of your desire without having to write GRE. So it's quite possible. Thank you once again for checking this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Thank you and see you again later.